Actually, abadleni. Mfana kagama lo. Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we explore music, ukucula, ugwava. We break down our lyrics to get the message behind the song. We encourage people. Nyabanye nyabagwara. Yeah. But basically, non-toxic Zion YouTube channel. Hope everybody's doing okay in this beautiful morning. And hey, today is going to be a blessed day. Abanye bebahambile sebayabuya. Hey, abanye baya kuma-festival nje ziyabuya nje nami nje. Today it's a beautiful day for me too. uh, you guys will probably know later on because I am planning to post later on again, when I come back, yabo. So namhlanje we're reacting to umthombo wokuphila ministries, sifike ngojesu. Yeah, it's the first time reacting to this church. I don't know the church. And another thing is the way the video was shot. So the video will appear on this side of the screen, the entire screen, by shooting horizontally instead of vertically. So no, by shooting vertically instead of horizontally. So without wasting you guys' time. Oh, before I get into that, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please don't forget to give me a recommendation and share. And yeah, it's a lot. We are currently sitting on 236 as I'm recording this. This is crazy. 236 is crazy. Like it's insane. Thank you guys. So without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it. Hey, my man. Hey, not the Twitter, my friend. There is a hey, nine dot DJ. Nya DJ. Me DJ and get beautiful. Ebo. Ebo. I know, Fanam. Hey, my friend Tamara. Hey, if you've never been to Zion before, I don't know. I don't know. As in of all the things, ne? Of all the things. He says ngisho ngithi dog, nothing gets to me like humming, bro. Like for real. Like we can do everything and anything. Like legit speaking, we can do everything and anything. Nothing, nothing brings me joy like humming. Why? I don't even know. Until well, not myself, but it just humming does something to me, man. It just makes me go like, Young John, like we understand. And I'm looking at this church, number one. I'm like, no, they're humming. Abajah, kwaba kamnandi. Like nje, they are cruising nicely. Young John, abaya. Abafethu. You can tell them. You can tell with the Nanale. These are the things he does, Manga cares. Because one of it that has one of them now it was football. Well, hopefully, I haven't seen videos of it. I haven't seen anything. But Yaz would be whenever he's around, he does that. So I would look at him as a little like, this guy. I'm like, y'all are doing some weird stuff now, and it's weird in a good way because you love when a church gives freedom because at the end of the day we are food. Remember, with this food it brings pace, it brings rhythm, it brings the funness into Ingom, right? So when people have an opportunity to do such things, esontweni, you're not just saying ukuthi, number one, you're not just saying ukuthi they're not allowed to, but you're also saying times have changed and church should be fun. I understand. So you taking kids and you're like, no, do this. Since it makes you happy, keep doing it. Because I still say Namanja, the amount of lives church are saving, like honestly speaking, is a only food. And it's crazy. It's beautiful. So that's why you should hello, into yenza makageza. Uyambona. That lady. That lady. Ngilokhu ngiyazibuza ukuthi lo lala uphuma kuphi. Ngilokhu yazi ngimela ngithi mangambona nje. That's a beautiful voice. No, that is a beautiful voice. Oh yes, man. It's like who is that? And then there's someone in background. I thought they were singing and no, bayancoma kuphela. I'm like, no man. Listen to that woman. Listen to that woman's voice. Oh, I don't even know if they're going to sing here and there, but I hope to find more videos. Tombo, Hey, I need to listen to you guys. No, you guys sound phenomenal. You guys sound amazing. Like, like Nas Ropa, guys, and Uncle Happy, Uncle Happy. Then like as of lately, I'm getting short videos, and you know me, man. Me, I'm like, bruh, look, I'm going to make the best of that video. I don't care how short it is. If it sounds phenomenal, if it looks phenomenal, and it sounds phenomenal, trust me, trust and believe. These people are harmed for a straight 3 minutes. Made it sound so good. Bane woza. Yeah, mthombo ne uyayifuna. Yeah, mara asifuni kuyenza yonke kodwa. You understand? Like, are you kidding me? Are you serious, guys, right now? Bass on point, foot on point, alto was on point. Else, guys, these people are not even singing. They were humming, but they were audible. But we use we bass. Kahle nje. Usifutho ke ngikhuluma umzila ngithi lapho ukabza the jazz lapha. Ungakwazi ukuthi mkabza the jazz. Yeah. Igama lakhe elisha lelo. Kabza the jazz. Or kabza the sifutho. Hayi, sifutho the jazz. So tholele nickname egrand mara yabona ukabza the jazz. I know it's nice for you, my man. And next time ngibona ngiyazi ufunana nokabza the jazz ngizomuzwa ke lapha. This guy. As he more hey. And the different ways azokufutha. You play around with it. Downtown. Njengoba ngisho le deep yabona mina ngutsho kakhulu yabo. Others aboch. Yabona boch ibe ngibancanywayo because they have more flexibility compared to us. Yabona thina you can't really do all those things. I never. You can't. But I'm loving what I'm seeing. I'm not gonna lie to you. Umthombo. Hayi amathombo. Yini manje lento namazi. Umthombo, I would really love to see more videos like of you guys singing, like actively singing, like young Todd, like actively. Man, damn. So hey, today is gonna be a good day. I will probably do because time is what ngizobukela Manchester United. I'll do into after. Sure. After the matches. If not, ngizobukela my highlights, but somewhere along those lines. So yo, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, I don't know what you're doing. Hit that subscribe button, like my videos, and please, guys, share to other people as well. And please don't forget to give me a recommendation, guys. So, yo, in the favorite way of Street Jupiter, adios.